Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread dressing. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, crumble 6 cups cornbread, and saute 2 cups onions and celery in 4 tablespoons butter until soft. Mix the cornbread with 2 cups turkey or chicken stock, 2 beaten eggs, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sage, and black pepper to taste. Press into a 9x13 dish and bake about 35 to 40 minutes until set and golden. Start by tasting and adjusting seasoning as you go so the final dish is balanced and comforting. If your mixture looks dry, add up to 1 cup more stock, or if too wet, add extra crumbled cornbread. Use butter for richness or swap half for oil if you prefer. Fold gently to keep some texture, then transfer to your baking dish, top with reserved crumbs if desired, and bake until golden. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making recipes you love. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money, and it pairs nicely with holiday cooking when budgets matter. I find its clear advice oddly comforting while stirring a pot, and it might help your meal planning too. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Try a few simple variations to match your meal or mood. Stir in cooked sausage for savory depth, or add diced apples and pecans for a sweet contrast that pairs nicely with roast poultry. For a creamier, custard-like dressing, swap the stock for 2 cups milk and reduce added butter slightly. Always taste and tweak seasoning, then bake until the center is set and the top is beautifully browned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.